Hello traders, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, bonjour, bonsoir mes amis, guten Morgen, guten Tag, guten Abend. For those of you who are new to us, we are the TSTW 24 traders, and our website is www.stochastic-magdi.com. For all trades, we use the 5% money management rules and apply stop loss in all trades. This video is for educational purposes only. It's neither a solicitation or an offer to buy or sell any financial instrument. It is primarily for the TSTW 24 traders. Please do not use this video to make a trading decision, but take a valid trading signal. Let's get started. The title of this video is Proprietary Day Traders. Proprietary Day Traders. A few weeks ago, we see this tall candle, Proprietary Forex Traders, okay? We see this tall candle here, and we know, talking about our free proprietary trading, we'll highlight the high of the body of the tall candle, the low of the body of the tall candle, and the median line of the body of the tall candle. And I say to traders that a tall candle, okay, when a price move in a vertical move is a distortion to a certain degree, except in the third Elliott wave. We know that, okay? So we want to work with a market principle, market stable data, things that remain intact, things that are true in this messy market, okay? So we keep eyes on it, but we don't want to force it, okay? So we wait. We know something, but we wait, all right? So we say to traders that when the market is distorted, okay, there's a high chance that the market will, correct itself to hit fair value, all right? Always. Now, we also said that when the price is above the high of the body of the tall candle, which means this zone here where I'm moving my cursor now, is a very, very bullish, but we can sell in a bullish zone if we see a weakness, price displaying, okay, lower highs, or price failing to display a new higher high, okay, we can look for opportunity to sell. I also mentioned to traders on Facebook, Stochastic Magdi Facebook, that if we see now the initial price move is from here, which I highlight on my chart, still have my drawing on my chart, the green section here. After the initial move, if the price pull back, okay, all right, for traders that are trading stock, this is true for stock, for commodity, on low volume, pull back, and we receive a signal to buy, all right. However, if the price fail to achieve the same length as it did in the initial price move, this is the initial price move, after the invitation to buy, if the price fail to, duplicate the previous move, which is the prior move, which is from here to here, fail to come to this point, and start showing the weaknesses, we will look for opportunity to sell. Because there was a bullish progression, and then a pullback, price start going up, but if the price failed to achieve the same length as it did here, all right, it's a weakness. And we say to traders that as the price start going down after the vertical move, all right, the first target is the high of the body of the tall candle. The second target is the median line of the body of the tall candle, and the third target is the low of the body of the tall candle. Looks, where are we now? We are now on the median line of the body of the tall candle. Beautiful, isn't it? Very beautiful. Now we have to understand that this week was a bit messy, talking about the government in the United States being shut down. Okay, public workers did not go to work this week in the United States because of the discussion between the Congress and the Senate. In the next 2 weeks, we are expecting another major messy situation in America, talking about raising the debt ceiling in the United States. So watch out for that. The economy news can change the dynamics of the market. All right. So after all the blah blah blah, as I like to put it, traders, you see, price went up, blah blah blah, a high here, a higher high, a little bit higher, another higher high, and now we have a lower high. And now where the price start going down, as soon the price first targets the high of the tall candle, as you can see here, price tried to go up, failed to find the support, crash down, next target. Now we are here. Is he going to come to the low of the body of the candle? Well, we wait until we receive a signal. We are now on the hourly chart. We have to go to the lower time frame, drawing channel, break above, break below, retest, turn around, step by step. Okay? So now we are here. So we knew our target zone, first target, second target. If this one also fell, we are coming back to this level here. I also show it to traders. We have seen for the New Zealand dollar, US dollar, the distortion was corrected following the same proprietary day trading system, okay, free proprietary trading methods. The dollar yen, same date on the 2nd of October, we see a tall candle. That distortion was corrected for the dollar yen. The pound dollar, we see the distortion. The distortion was corrected also, except for the Euro USD. Why? Because as there was a lot of uncertainty regarding the economy in the United States, all right, the fear relating to the US economy, a lot of money was coming out of the dollar into the euro for security purposes, all right? So that's why the euro did not correct itself straight away. So we see this blah, 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 blah. People were buying the euro. But now the music has changed a little bit, and we are now to the median line. See? So you have the line on your chart. You just keep watching it. These are simple, free proprietary trading. It's very simple, which I developed myself, which I give to the market for free. We see a tall candle. We are trading stock. You are trading commodity. Whatever you are trading, it doesn't matter whether on the yearly chart, weekly chart, is true. It's a stable data. Highlight it and watch it. Do not force it. If it's above the high of the body, very bullish. Right here, on the hourly chart for day trading, we stop on the hourly chart. Okay, I did not hide it. I said to trader on the hourly chart. So there was this low. There was a higher low. In fact, I did not buy the euro because I wasn't happy about what was going on here. I was looking for opportunity to sell all the time. There was this higher low. It went up. But look, as I said to traders, in a document that we call Nice Trade, trader can buy that on Amazon, Nice Trade by George Beaulieu. Trader very often will forget to draw the trend line like this, join the high, you see, in the uptrend. So in the uptrend, we can join also the high. We know that normally when we are drawing the trend line in the uptrend, we join the low and the higher low, yes, okay? And in the downtrend, we join the high and the lower high. But there is another way we can draw the trend line in the uptrend. We can also join the high, a high and a higher high in the uptrend to determine the next target price level. So with this point here where my cursor is and this point here, we can know that there's a high chart of the price may change direction right here. This is about Nice trade, join the high and the higher high in the uptrend, and join the low and the lower low in a downtrend to set the price target. So here it is, join this point and this point. Professional are watching this level. Boom. Start coming down, you see. Try to come and retest this level. I couldn't, alright. Sometimes the price will not come all the way to join it. So what you can do, you see this line, this point, this blue line and the horizontal line. Well, check the Nice trade, alright. It's only $18.18. You can also join the median line of the angle of the blue line and the horizontal line. Here. Let's move on, talking about proprietary forex day traders, alright. So we know all this, but we have to be careful, alright. So now we are at the support level, which is the median line. You need to be careful. The price can find a support here and start going up. If it start going up, okay, target zone, the high again. we go back to the inverse. So the levels where that were resistant before will become, okay, our target price level that we need to watch. All right. So if you find a support here and start going up, first target, the high, second target, which is the median line of this blue line, the horizontal line, this line here. That will be the second target, third target, this one here, and the fourth one here. If you find a support, in my view, it will be better for the Euro USD, all right, to cancel this distortion so the market may return back to normal. Because in an efficient, what we call, okay, a healthy market, majority of market participants will be rewarded. A distortion will mess up the market, and a lot of traders will end up losing. All right, majority of market participants will lose because of a distortion. Indicator will be distorted because if the price distorted, indicator will be distorted. All right, and if traders are not aware of the distortion, they can get into trouble. So that's why the market very often, as they see a distortion, they will prefer it to be, okay, cancelled. All right, so it would be nice to bring it back here before we start afresh again. All right, afresh. So market return back to its normal conditions, environment, okay, and we will see what will happen to the Euro USD. All right. Next thing, talking about free proprietary forex trading. All right, there's a trend line here, this point and this point, so which I will color now into red. We want to trade on the edge. All right, day trading on the edge. Have you watched that video? Check it out. So this resistance is very important for us. We need to watch it. All right, there's another one here. We can draw it also. This point. Second, please. All right, this point, and this point. So I have another trend line here. I will color it now into pink right here. So that's how we want to trade. So, all right, okay, or to go through it. All right. So remember those key levels. To summarize this video about free proprietary forex traders or proprietary day traders, whatever you want to call it. All right. This method of trading is very simple. A distortion, 8 out of 10 will be corrected. The market will try to rectify itself after a distortion. When we see a distortion, we highlight the high, the median line, and the low of the body. We discount, okay, the tail. We highlight it and we watch it. If it's above the high of the body, it's very bullish. So we are paying attention to the higher lows. But we also monitoring the high that the price displaying after the higher low. If the price display a higher low but fail to display a new higher high, it's a weakness. Also, as I said to you, if the prior, this is the prior, all right, prior bullish progression, all right, the price failed to achieve the same length of the prior bullish progression after a pullback, is a weakness. I also explained that to traders in a video. The price failed to display, to achieve the same length of the prior move. And now we see, we don't just sell it because it failed. We wait patiently. Here it is. Just even if you wait until this trend is kaput, and you just sell it on the edge, go into the lower time frame and doing it properly. Roll it down. You are first target, take profits here as some trader did. Okay, boom, down. Next level. Next week, watch it. Is it coming here? We don't know. You do not want to assume anything. You want to trade like professional traders on the edge. As you can see, the economy news and the uncertainty regarding the economy, the fiscal discussion in the United States, raising of the deficit in the United States, has been one of the major factors that has pushed the euro up to this point. All right. So this is just a quick video to highlight a simple, okay, free proprietary trading method for traders that they can concentrate on, that they will try to master and use day in, day out. You will see also in the stock market, many stock, you'll see this kind of movement all the time. Tall candle, can you see here? tall candle, total cancellation. Here, same strategy. We draw the line for this tall candle, the body, and we apply the same method, step by step. Here again, you see another tall candle. Here the price found a support at the median line of this tall candle here. I'm talking about this one. Can you see it? If you pull it back to the 50%, and boom, it went up. Now we have another tall. Here again, tall, and it dipped a bit below the 50% of the tall candle, and it's going on all the time. You go to every time frame, even on the daily chart, sometimes you will see that. On the yearly chart, you will see the same pattern. And here it is on the daily chart, you see. Here it is, all right? So this method is powerful for swing trading and also for day trading. But when we want to use it for day trading, I recommend for traders to use, the hourly chart, okay? I hope you have learned something from this video about proprietary day traders, okay? That you will put into use, to make excellent day trading decision. Before I close this video, traders must use the 5% money management rules, okay? Be very patient, all right? And take it step by step. Before you use any trading method, test it. If you are TSTW trader, ask questions. Step by step, draw your channels, draw your trend line, and trade on the edge. Happy trading to you all. We are the TSTW 24 traders. Speak to you soon.